how to force update any app on your iPhone. So if you're someone that has a certain app that you want to update, but the App Store doesn't actually have an update for you, what you can do is update it and force update it. So what we can do is go to your settings, and you want to go where it says General, and then go to your iPhone storage here. So here it's going to give you a list of all of your apps that you have. And let's just pick one here. Let's do Facebook. So we can go into Facebook. And as you see, it says offload app. What this is going to do is it's going to free up storage. It'll get rid of your backup data, your cache, and it will reinstall the app. So go ahead and click offload app. It will offload the app, and it may take a couple seconds, and then it will ask you to reinstall the app. So we can reinstall the app, and don't worry, it's not logging you out. It's not deleting the app and putting it back on your phone. It's just getting rid of all that backup data and cache. And what this is going to do is it's going to force Facebook to give you the newest version of Facebook so that you can get any new features that it may have. And that's it. That's how you would go about force updating apps on your iPhone.